Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm Jack Black. So today we're going to be making Steve's Lava Chicken from the Minecraft movie. Now, if you haven't seen the movie, don't proceed. But if you really just don't care, you're welcome to, just stay and watch the video. So this challenge, not really a challenge. This video is pretty straightforward. We're gonna be making the Steve's Lava Chicken, to see if it actually works in game. Again, if you haven't seen the movie and you have no idea what the hell I'm talking about, um, go watch it. It's in theaters. I saw it on release date. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so if you look here in my hotbar, you'll see everything that you're going to need. Or this is at least what I'm using. I'm using smooth sandstone because it looks like what he's using in the movie. But you can really use any building block you want. You can use grass, you can use dirt, take your pick. So, first, just to see if it works, I'm gonna put, what the heck? The two chests like that right together. Just to see, if it works. So, here, I'll do a time lapse. Alright guys, as you can see, we have completed the contraption. Now, if I'm right, this should work. I'm not right. Hold up. I shouldn't have I got rid of that block right there. On the other side too. Okay, now, if I'm right, this should work. Oh my gosh, it worked. Hold up. This is Lava Chicken. Yeah, I just made and then that happens and then you can put in another chicken. But how am I going to do that? Okay, guys. So if you come around back, you see obviously you'll see I already have the chicken in here. But if you come around back, you'll see that I set up these two things. Now I'm correct. After the chicken falls, these two should spit out lava. I don't know if that affects anything. Because I think, and the reason for that is because I think it's because it's set to be behind. So again, it should all drop into this chest right here. Here we go. Clearly, I was wrong. It works. I missed. It works. It just works. And then I turn that off. And I have lava chicken. Of course, now I think my dispensers are empty. Oh, they're not. Wait, it worked. Hold up. It worked. I have lava chicken now. This is a great day in human history. Now, if you can't tell, I do technically do have the Better Villages mod turned on. I highly recommend find one. If you just like by finding one Plains village, you have already. Oh, wait, what's this building? I've never seen this before. Is this a barn? Hold up. What is this? Anyways, the villages in the movie are much better. Are much better. So, I do have the Better Villages mod turned on, and I think I know exactly where I'm going to put the actual Steve's Lava Chicken building. Oh yeah, I also have the map mod turned on? No, no I don't. Turn that off too, I guess. And here we are, right here. I'm going to put the Steve's Lava Chicken building. I don't know if I said this already, but sorry for no face cam. My camera's at an awkward angle, so this is how you get my hands on the keyboards. Oh, shrimp. Oopsie. So yeah, I'm going to build it like right around here. Give me a second. Hey guys, look, I found a pink sheep. Final touch. There we go. It's perfect, doesn't it, Mr. Villager? No, it isn't perfect. As you can see, since it's actually 5 blocks, I had to, yeah, do that. And if you come around back, you can see all the redstone. By the way, if you want a tutorial on the redstone, um, you know, let me know in the comment section below. And feel free to actually make it perfect, because I actually physically have to go in and put another chicken in once I make the lava chicken. It does not take from these. So, oh, he left. Well, that sucks. So, as you can see, I got the lava chicken in the back. So as you can see, I got the lava chicken in the back, well, the chicken in the back, the 2 dispensers, and then the hopper that would put the chicken in the chest. Now look what happens when I flick this lever. Actually, I won't do it like that. I'll actually, yeah, here we go. Just watch. Uh-oh. And then I do that, and I get it right here. Lava chicken. It's beautiful. So yeah, like I said, if you really want a tutorial on how to build all the redstone in the back, let me know. And like I said, again, feel free to improve the design and make it even and make it work. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.